going on, guys? I want to show you how you can set up this desktop recording software that is completely free to get high definition video recordings of your desktop, and you can even record your webcam at the same time. You can adjust it, you can move it around on the screen. So when you get this software installed, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click this little plus icon right here, and then you're going to have to hit display capture. When you click on that, that will open up the display here you see, and you'll just hit OK, and then this will pop up. If you want to record your camera as well, you'll just look for video capture device, create new, you can name it if you want, hit OK, and then it'll bring up this settings here, and under device you'll select what kind of camera you want to use, whether that is your webcam on your laptop or desktop, or you can use your external camera if you have that plugged in. So to get this offline, you'll type in OBS official site. It's called obsproject.com. You'll go to that website, and then depending on what operating system you're running, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, most people would have Windows, so we'll just click on Windows, and it should automatically download the version that you need. I need a 64-bit version for my computer, and then you'll just save the file. And once you have it downloaded, your setup file should be in your downloads folder over here. And I'm not going to be able to open this because I'm currently running the program right now, but you'll just run through the basic steps of installing the software. It should be relatively easy and smooth. There's no bloatware, no bullcrap. And then once it's installed, you can go in here and you can play around with it for a while. You have your microphone settings here as well. So you can go to properties and you can choose a different type of microphone from here. This is your recording of your desktop. So as you can see, if I make some sounds, it will record that. And you can adjust that how you would like. You can turn down the volume. You can turn down the volume on here. And there's also filters and things like that you guys can play around with as well. So if you go to your little gear icon here and then hit filters, you can add all kinds of different filters in here. These are the ones I personally use to make my microphone sound a little bit better. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to adjust this, you can adjust this as well. To adjust how much the screen is seeing, we'll go ahead and go over that real quick. Go to filters, and then hit the little plus icon and hit crop/pad. And then you'll see that when I want to shave off a section of the screen, I can just type that in and you can see it will cut off a certain percentage of the screen there. If I type in 100, it'll do a lot more. Type in 500, it'll do a lot more. So that's pretty much the basics of it, guys. So if you guys find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.